Jigging for Giants here, back with another video. It's just Andrew and I. Today we're going to be doing a crappie catch and cook-off.
Let's do this.
And I got a crappie.
No, that one crappie scoop.
There's a whole school back there. Okay.
That's a nice one to get.
This is the first one for me. This is the first of two that I'm going to keep. Andrew's still got to catch his.
Giant snapper.
There's a whole school and a giant snapping turtle right there. Andrew, your bobber's underneath. And there's a giant snapping turtle, a whole school of crappie, and I got my first one. It's going good today. There's two right in front of us on beds, but then there's a school behind them. No.
Oh, there's a third.
There's a whole school back there.
They're so cute. I want that'll just make it
There's a snapping turtle right there, and it's big. Oh snap! Okay, it's coming for us now. Oh, you gotta.
Yeah,
And this
oh, that's
On the
that,
stringer?
mine's right over there. What's up?
Reel it in.
Now I just need my crappie. Dang it.
Well, I got number two. I'm gonna keep fishing. I'm gonna keep fishing for crappie, but I'm not gonna keep anymore. Andrew needs to catch his too. This is a crappie catch, clean, cook off. I can't do anything for him. Here, that's a nice one. Hey, you just chuck it out of here.
Yeah, I'm making it deeper. So.
No, mine was just like clean. Oh, that's a crappie. You set it. There we go. Andrew's hooked up. I'm gonna put these two in the water until you get down up.
That's a nice one. No. How, Lucas, 10 incher?
Yeah, let me hold it up.
10? That's definitely a pre-spawn.
It's definitely a keeper.
Oh.
Andrew's first crappie.
Yeah, just got this one. It's definitely a keeper. I mean, pretty, very pretty. And I think we're going to keep it. So, boom. Crappie number 2, guys. Oh! Dang it. So I just fell as I tried to show you guys the crappie, but perfect hook set.
We're gonna see you guys back at the house once we get this on the stringer.
Yeah.
We're like gonna fish more, but this is just what we're doing for filming.
Yeah. Because we catch lots of fish. Right, Lucas?
Yeah, we'd catch too many for my parents to want to deal with.
Yeah. And, like...
We will see you guys back at the house.
I hope I got my foot.
So I'm in the kitchen now. I've got my crappie fillets right Here, I don't know where the other one is.
Low power.
Okay, it's at low power. I know you guys heard that. But we're gonna see if we can get me cooking.
No, Lucas. We should just put another battery in.
Got a short-term cameraman here. And I'm gonna put on some the crackers. And then you need your fish. And then rib. And then how I've learned to see if this oil is hot is you take it and you drop the cracker in, and it's definitely hot. You can see it's like bubbling and stuff. So then what you do is you take your fish and you cover it in the flour mixture, and you put it in the eggs, and then the crackers. And then it starts sizzling. And so basically, we're gonna do the same thing. And we're just gonna do the same thing 4 times. And yeah, it's a really simple recipe. I think this is the 3rd time I've cooked it. 2nd time this week. And yeah. And if you guys want more details, it's All Recipes Best Fried Walleye. This is a really small one. And so basically, we're just gonna let them cook. I'm gonna wash my hands because it really sticks to your hands. And maybe do some cleanup, and then I'm gonna flip them, and they'll be done. Okay. Okay. You guys watch that. I'm gonna clean my hands. Let's see if this one's done. Oh yeah, they're good. That's my recipe. See how Andrew's recipe is, and we'll see who's the winner.
I was gonna make a Cajun recipe. I'm not going to really follow the instructions because I don't cook much. And so I got the Cajun seasoning, then I just got some parsley flakes, and we'll see how it tastes. first one on.
Now we've finished cooking them. We're gonna each try each other's. We've already tried our own, and we might have to have somebody else come in and tell us whose is better. But let's see how this goes. Andrew, you want to try mine first?
Yeah.
Take some of Andrew's. That's good, but I think mine's better.
Well, it's really hard, but honestly, I like the Cushion better.
Yeah, I think we need somebody else because mine's definitely better. We need my sister, Lauren. She's the best taste tester ever made. Lauren, we need you. Okay, so you're gonna try one of each and tell us who's better. Because you need to.
Try this one first. I have to say, this fish was really, 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 really good.
Which one was better? You said.
This one was better.
Rip.
Yours is really good too.
Okay.
But this one, better. I liked it a lot.
Okay, that's the rulings, guys. We'll hit you with the outro.
Held it too long.
You saw how that went. Andrew's fish was better. I personally do not agree with the rulings, but I guess the rulings are final. And so both of them, they're pretty simple recipes. You probably could make them at home. And just comment down below which was better. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and subscribe.